Ever glanced in the mirror and thought, this look just isn't cutting it anymore? Or maybe you've scrolled through your feed, seen those trend-setting styles and wondered, how do they pull that off? Well guys, it's time to level up your game and turn those head turns into double takes. If you're aiming for transforming your appearance, this guide is your go-to resource. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about preparation. Before you even step foot in a barbershop, there are a few key steps you need to follow. It's essential to have a clear idea of what you want before your appointment. Not sure what works for you? No problem. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are gold mines for inspiration. Look for styles that match your hair type and face shape. Remember, what looks good on your favorite celebrity might not work for you, and that's okay. Step 2. Choose the right barber. Not all barbers are created equal, and finding one that specializes in the style you want is key. Do your research, read reviews, and don't be afraid to try someone new if your current barber isn't cutting it. Step 3. Communicate clearly. Once you're in the chair, it's crucial to communicate your vision. Bring pictures, explain what you like about the style, and specify lengths. Remember, terms like short and a little off the top are subjective. Be as clear as possible. Step 4. Understanding hair texture and type. Your hair's natural texture plays a massive role in how a cut will look on you. Discuss this with your barber to ensure the style you want is achievable with your hair type. Step 5. Maintenance and upkeep. Some styles require more effort than others. Be realistic about how much time you're willing to spend on your hair each day. If you're a wash and go kind of guy, a high maintenance style might not be for you. After the cut, it's all about styling and maintenance. Here's where the right products come into play. Step 6. Choosing the right products. For most young men, a good quality pomade or clay, like Pete and Pedro's putty, is a staple. It offers hold and texture without the shine. For those with longer styles, a sea salt spray, like Pete and Pedro's salt, can add volume and a natural look. And let's not forget about hair health. A solid shampoo and conditioner tailored to your hair type are essential. Look for sulfate-free options to keep your hair healthy and hydrated. Step 7. Regular trims. Even if you're growing your hair out, regular trims are necessary to keep your hair looking its best. They help prevent split ends and maintain the shape of your cut. Aim for a trim every 4 to 6 weeks. Remember, a great haircut is not just about looking good, but feeling confident and expressing your style. So, take these tips, find your style, and rock that next haircut with confidence.